This is a historical day because we are seeing today the launch of the vaccination campaign against COVID in Sri Lanka. With the vaccination, Sri Lanka will once again be fully open, hopefully, to the world. No matter how strong its resources, how capable its scientific and medical force, no country could have or could fight this disease on its own. So the international cooperation is what is the key to fighting this pandemic the world over. And when we speak of international cooperation, as you all know very well, the policy of India, the principles of the government of India under Prime Minister Modi has been defined by two words, two phrases. First is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which we have written here. We are one family, and in one family we all look after each other, look after one another. And the second principle of Prime Minister Modi's policy is neighborhood first. When we look after each other in the entire world, of course, our friends next door, our neighbors, are our first priority. And even within neighbors, I am very happy to say that Sri Lanka occupies a very, very special place in the hearts of India, in the hearts of Indians. Also, we hope that this vaccine will not only save many more lives, but two more important things it will do, equally important things, is that it will help the economy open fully. And it will help instill confidence in the people that this disease is going to be over soon. And the normalcy, the normal life as we have known it before the onset of pandemic, before the onset of COVID, is right around the corner. This confidence, this hope, I think is a very important contribution of this vaccine, apart from its aspect to fight COVID, to give us security, to give us protection from the disease.
I must say that this is a moment that all of us should celebrate, because it signifies the beginning of a campaign to fight an unforeseen or unseen enemy. This is only the beginning. I am sure there will be a day very soon that all of us will be able to say that our population is fully vaccinated and that we have won this war against this unseen enemy. We have a huge commitment towards our people, and that is why I am here to convey the blessings of His Excellency Gotabaya Rajapaksa, who has headed this entire effort. Today we have come a long way with certain successes, but sometimes failures as well. But this is to be in campaigns of this nature. When the enemy is not defined, the enemy is not seen, you can have failures. But I always take strength that Sri Lanka's record of human development, well-being of the people, education, it has stood tall in the whole world, particularly in the developing world. So we are second to none in this kind of activity. Yesterday we saw the rankings where Sri Lanka is placed 10th. I wish we were placed first, but there was a time when we were just in the second place. That is when we had almost zero numbers. People may say various things, but I want to assure this country that we are in very safe hands, because there is so much of accumulated knowledge in the Ministry of Health.